Hey Rucha, how are you doing? My name is Ayaz Mohammed. I'm one of your student of MAA training program, and I just want to thank you for creating such a wonderful training for all of us. It's so useful. I purchased your training program in the month of August, but unfortunately, due to my other assignments, I could not start in August. I started only in the month of November. Actually, I really regret to delay it so much, but unfortunately, I couldn't do. So November, I started the training program, and December, I started my freelance agency. I started December, and November and December was my learning phase. I was learning from your training program, and also I was implementing that in, practically, and I was learning. The good thing of your training program is it's absolutely actionable. Absolutely like we need to take the steps on every modules, and that's the best thing which I liked about your training program. So as I said, November and December was my learning phase, and December I started, but December I couldn't get much clients. I started doing some few projects for my friends and for my known people. I started doing, and then January 2020 onwards, I started getting some paid clients. So initially I got few clients from India. Of course, it was not big ticket, a small ticket, but yes, it was good learning for me. And then in January itself, I got one client from Dubai. Actually, they were retail industry, retail company. So I started doing project for them, and they really liked it, and I got the testimonial for them, and that helped me to get more clients. So, and in the month of February, I got one client from US, also from India. I got one very good client. So a January month, if you talk about, I got two retaining clients for 6 months contract, every month retention. So total income, if you see in the month of March, that's what I'm so excited to share with you that Indian value in Indian rupees, my March month income has crossed more than 1 lakh. And I really thank you for this, because everything because of your training only. It's only because of you and your training, because I implemented everything what you have mentioned in the training program. So because of that, I'm able to do this, and I'm definitely looking forward to grow this much higher, because definitely this is not my target. My target is much higher, and I'm sure your training program is helping me a lot. I go through multiple times, even in this month also, even last month also, many I just do refer, because especially your Facebook ad modules, even Instagram modules, I go through again and again, and I implement everything about your client acquisition module also. It is so useful, and so that's what I just want to thank you. And those who are interested in starting their own freelance agency, especially for high ticket, this is the best training program you have. This is the best training program you have in the market. Go for it. I strongly recommend this program. And those who are starting this, or those who have already purchased it, two things I would say: that do not skip the module, go step by step. That's very, very important, because it's all steps, right? It's all step by step. And the second thing is that go through multiple times, because it happened to me one time. See, we think that we are learning everything, but once we implement, we miss something. So I refer this again and again. So going through multiple times helps a lot. So that's what I would like tell everyone, those who are doing this course. So I strongly recommend this course. It's a wonderful training program. It has helped me to not only start my business, but also to develop my business, and it's helping me a lot. And I'm getting good clients now. Like I'm right now working with 8 to 9 paid clients on retention basis. I'm working. So I'm definitely want to grow it. My next target is to earn 5 lakhs per month. That's what I'm looking forward for it. And thanks for all your support. Thank you so much.